today are the Ashab Kahf live in the cave?
That's a difficult question you're asking. I don't know.
Because next ayat Allah says 309 years.
They were in that condition 309 years. 300 solar system years and 309 lunar system years. They are almost equal. So now I'm not talking about that. What they stayed there, that was the time period. Now after that, what happened, Allah does not describe. But we know that the mosque was built on them. This we know. Now why Allah says, because I am telling you they were not sleeping. Allah says in the Quran that on their ears they can't hear. So like for example, I don't know if you see somebody who's alive, suppose he's staring at you, but he can't say anything to you, just looking at you with this, like a dog, they say, stretch out, looking at you with no expression. I mean, how would you feel? Not comma also. Listen, this is very important. No comma, no expression, dead look. Alive, not alive, or not alive. I mean, there is something which Allah is describing that to the messenger, you will run away, fleeing back. Imagine. So what are we? That is why that is blocked. Nobody is allowed to go and nobody talks about it. And Allah said, do not question. Is also, and do not take a fatwa also. Do not take legal advice also about them. So there Allah says, but it's unusual mosque that Allah has made it, and unusual ajaba, he says, this is Ashab Kahf's narration, ajib, amazing. So that is the only mosque that we have identified. That is all I can explain. Because there is a dispute going in the Quran. Allah says that there were 3 and there was 1 dog, and the 4 and there was 1 dog. And Allah knows the number, and some believers, except some people know. So I really cannot go beyond what I know or what I don't know.
This brings our session for tonight to conclusion. We would like to thank you all for your attendance. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.